Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the AITISOR 24-pack Fake Ivy Leaves Artificial Ivy Garland. The best faux leaves for vases. Whether you're looking to elevate your home decor, add a touch of greenery to a special event, or even enhance your outdoor space, this product promises to bring nature's charm right into your life. The AITISOR Ivy Garland set comes with 24 separate strands of fake ivy vines, each measuring about 7.2 feet long, which gives you a total length of 173 feet or over 52 meters of lush greenery. These artificial vines are perfect for DIY projects, whether you're designing a cozy living room, creating a photo backdrop, or making your wedding look stunning. These vines are lightweight yet tough, designed to bend and twist into any shape you desire, making them incredibly versatile. Made of silk leaves and durable plastic stems, the ivy garlands are designed to be realistic and long-lasting. The silk leaves maintain their vibrant green color, so you won't have to worry about fading or wilting. Thanks to the innovative bone injection molding process used for the stems, they stay securely attached, ensuring the garlands remain intact for long-term use. One of the great features of these ivy vines is how easy they're to install. Whether you want to hang them from the ceiling, place them in a vase, wrap them around furniture, or use them as part of a party or wedding decoration, these vines are simple to work with. You can attach them with cable ties, tapes, or thumbtacks, or simply let them drape freely for a more natural, flowing look. What makes these ivy garlands stand out is their super lifelike appearance. They bring the beauty of nature indoors without the hassle of real plants. Not only are they ideal for indoor spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens, but they're also perfect for creating an inviting atmosphere for parties, themed events, or even adding privacy to outdoor spaces like patios or trellises. From wedding backdrops to jungle-themed parties, these artificial ivy vines can transform any space into something magical. Imagine a cozy room filled with greenery or a stunning outdoor arch covered in ivy vines. The possibilities are endless. In summary, if you're searching for a high-quality, versatile, and realistic faux ivy vine that can be used in a variety of settings, the AITISOR 24-pack Fake Ivy Leaves Artificial Ivy Garland is a fantastic choice. Whether you're sprucing up your home decor, planning an event, or just love the look of lush greenery, these vines will definitely make a statement. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. See you next time.